strong, thicker, flat and healthy hair, starting with natural. Let me show you guys how I infuse the optimized hair growth oil for fastest results. Stay tuned guys, but before that, if you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time crossing this channel, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. Let's dive to the video guys. In today's video, I will be sharing my princess hair oil, infusing with powerful herbs and oil to transform your hair. I use rosemary, clove, lavender, hibiscus, olive leaf. Those herbs are well known for boosting blood circulation, fighting dandruff, and promoting strong hair growth. For guys, I started to blend my ingredients, but how can you do? It's good when you blend your ingredients because that will make the oil to infuse very fast. So now the ingredients that I mentioned for you, those are the ingredients that I start to blend here. So let's continue blending it, okay? Okay guys, now what I'm showing to you guys is olive leaf. Actually this thing I bring it from Turkey, and I have the powder one here because this powder one I'm already blended this one for some. I use it to do hair mask, and the remaining I just need 1 tablespoon to take out of the olive powder. That's olive leaf powder. So now I'm going to add it to my ingredients to mix everything. When I was doing, you can see that I did it small patches that they are saying. Please correct me my English. You can write it in the comments below. How did I make it separate? I blended it small. So after that I pour everything together and mix it. So after mixing it, now it's time for me to add my olive powder also inside. As I told you guys earlier, I'm going to add olive leaf also inside. So the powder one I'm adding inside, I'm already blended it. So now my carrier oil that I'm going to use to infuse this powerful oil, this is mustard oil. So that one I'm going to use. I will use almond oil also, but let's continue watching and you see the type of oils that I'm going to use to infuse this oil. So this mustard seed, you can use any oil of your choice, but I can only advise you, if you are going to infuse oil, try to know your hair type. It will be easier for you. So now I'm adding my almond oil. So I'm adding almond oil also inside. So after adding that one also, because all those oil I used it before, so it just left small for me to do what, to use the rest and add another carrier oil inside. So it doesn't end there, I will still add my avocado oil. Okay, I'm adding avocado oil also inside. That one you guys can see that one is just a new one, I open it. So I'm not going to pour everything inside, I will use some and I will leave the rest. But the oil that I know that one I can use to fill this bottle, because this bottle I want it to be full. So the next oil that I'm bringing here to be opening, that is sunflower oil. I'm going to add my sunflower oil inside. So I'm adding my sunflower oil inside. This thing I'm going to do it double boil method. Double boil method, how are they doing it? I'm going to make the water on the fire while the water is boiling, or water is hot, so that I will place this bottle inside the water, as you guys can see how I did it. So now when you do it this way, you have to make sure that you always come to be stirring it. Don't let the oil to stick under of the bottle. So now I'll be doing it, and the next thing I'm going to do when this oil is ready, actually I'm going to off the fire when the thing is ready. Now it's ready, I'll off it and leave it for 12 hours time. I'll come back. So let's continue. So this is the next day. I bring my oil to strain it. As you guys can see, I bring it to strain it. Well, normally I don't like doing it this way, because I'm doing it this way because my daughter, she doesn't have oil again for her hair. So because she doesn't have oil, I have no choice to do what, to just do a double boil method and leave it for 12 hours before straining it. If not, I prefer to make my oil, leave it to infuse for at least for 1 month before start to use it. But because I don't have oil to use for my daughter, I have no choice, I have to do it a double boil method. So guys, after straining it this way, it's time for me to add my essential oils. My daughter is putting her fingers inside, she's putting inside her hair. So the next things essential oils now is argan essential oil. So that one I'm going to add inside. Why I'm adding these essential oils, let us see a little benefit. Let us summarize the benefit of this oil or the herbs that we are using. We'll summarize it small here. Let's see rosemary and peppermint essential oils. It's stimulating hair growth and promoting blood circulation. When you check about clove and lavender, it's also reducing dandruff, stimulating root, smoothing scalp. And also clove also is like when you have a thinning hair, you are using clove in your hair. Clove is also help you for you to get a thicker hair when you are using it into your scalp or your hair. So hibiscus and olive leaf is also promoting thicker hair, preventing shedding. Okay, so those ingredients are very nice when you get it. If you are going to make your oil, and you can get those type of herbs or essential oils to use into your infusing oil, you are going to enjoy it. But mind you guys, everything, consistency is the key. Don't do it and you just using it once in a week or maybe once in a month time, and you are expecting the thing to work for you. You will not get the results. Now I'm adding my peppermint essential oil. So, and when you check about the mustard oil and almond oil, avocado oil is also, and sunflower oil is also deep nourishing, shining and strengthening hair. So when you check about vitamin E and argan oil, also reducing breaking, protecting from dandruff and keeping the hair soft. So these are the things that you can get when you are using it inside. Because I don't need the video to get too much, so I just summarize a little bit about the benefit that this thing. But when you check, there are so many benefits that you can get it. Those the herbs plus the essential oils that I'm putting inside, you will see so many uncountable benefits these things is having for our hair growing journey. So guys, thank you very much. Let me remind you people, if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? Do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted, especially, I lost my channel so far. So for now, I lost my channel. That's what I'm going to say, because like I cannot get my someone, they hack my Google account. So that is why my main channel, I cannot enter my main channel for now. So I'm using this channel to just creating the video. So I'm begging you people to help me to do what, to grow this channel also. Now you can see the oils. After I finish everything, I pour it inside of this bottle, and this one also, the remaining small one, that one I pour inside. So guys, the most important, after finish everything, you see the oil, I did it only 12 hours. I infuse it for 30 minutes in the fire. So after 30 minutes, I remove it and leave it for 12 hours before straining. So this thing, maybe this chaff, maybe you may asking, what am I going to do with it? I'm not throwing it away, because the thing is not infused like the way I want it. So I'm going to add oil into it, and I'm going to close it for months, because what I strain now, that is my daughter oil. So I will keep using that oil until that oil finish. That's the time that I will bring this one and strain it. So when you make your oil, after straining your oil, don't throw it away. You can still add oil inside and close it for some months. By the time you finish the other one, that time that one also, it will infuse again, so that you can bring it out to do what, to strain it and start using it. So that is why I did not throw it away. Maybe, and I just bring it to show it to you people, because if you are doing it and you are thinking, oh, now you have finished everything, let me throw away. No, don't throw away. When you do the double boil method, you can just strain the oil, and you add your oil inside and keep it in the dark corner for 1 month or 2 months. It depends on how many months that you are going to use the other one to get finished. That's the time you can bring this one out and strain that one also. So please guys, if you find this video useful, please share it for me, share it to your friends and family for me, okay? Thank you very much. I love you people. Yes, I know I love you people. I don't know. Yeah, I know I love you people, and you guys also love me. So please support your lady, support me back for me to grow this channel back, okay? This channel, I don't know how I can do to grow it, but Allah knows the best. Allah knows the best. So I leave everything in the hand of Allah to help me to grow my channel back. So support me by, and this channel is all about how to grow hair things, how to get beauty, whether your skin or whether it's the skin or your hair care, everything, those things that I'm doing here, okay? So support me. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you people. So now that's the oil. These are the oils that I use to infuse it. So I will bring you the oils back again for you people to see. The one that I poured, the last one, that was avocado and aloe vera oil, mustard seed, and sunflower oil. So those oil that I pour inside, plus almond oil. So now you can see my avocado oil almost finished. So those are the oil that I use to infuse it. Okay, thank you very much. Don't worry guys, I know you guys will support me. I would love to see you people in our next video.